Calling the case of Angel Gonzalez, case number M09-66858. Mr. Gonzalez. To my knowledge, the essence of the allegation is that Mr. Gonzalez, while a City of Miami commissioner, asked the owner of the land construction company if they could assist in finding his daughter employment, and the owner subsequently did in fact hire his daughter, and that at the time that Mr. Gonzalez approached the owner of the construction company, he knew that the company had construction projects both within the city and in fact within his district, some of which were in fact apparently funded by the city. Is that part correct so far?
Yes, Judge.
And that Mr. Gonzalez, after his daughter was hired, voted on matters involving the construction company that employed his daughter without disclosing the fact that his daughter was an employee of the company. Is that also
Correct, Judge.
the allegation? And Mr. Centorino, is there anything that I've omitted that you felt I should have included in that factual summary?
No, Your Honor. As you know, Your Honor, we have entered into a plea agreement, a written plea agreement, the original of which I would like to file with the court.
Okay,
And that contains, as exhibits, a statement from the defendant, as well as his letter of resignation from the City of Miami Commission.
Regarding the resignation, you're indicating that has already been done?
It has, Your Honor.
Okay. And there were certain other conditions regarding seeking public office, and Mr. Gonzalez, I know you've read this obviously. Did you understand all of those limitations on the seeking of public office?
Yes, sir, I do. I understand until the end of 2010.
Correct. Okay. It is my intention to accept this proposed agreement upon the defendant's entry of a plea of guilty to this charge. Mr. Gonzalez, how do you wish to plead?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Gonzalez, do you understand? I'm going to find, Mr. Gonzalez, that your decision to accept this offer today is a decision that you have made knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently, that you understand the nature and the consequences of accepting this offer, and therefore I will accept your plea of guilty to this charge, and I will enter the sentence that you all have agreed upon. As
We don't want there to be any ambiguity about the fact that he pled guilty and the case is closed on that basis without any further ado. I think the important thing is that he's out of politics. He's not running to replace the position that he vacated.
The only statement I want to make is that Angel's not going to be able to make any statement because of the terms of the plea agreement, which I'm sure you all heard. He's tendered his resignation. That was required by the plea agreement. 6 months probation. He had to pay back the cost of supervision. Cost of investigation. $5,000 the Commission on Ethics, $2,500 at the State Attorney's Office. He cannot make any public statement. He cannot run for office, for re-election in his spot or any office or accept any federal or state or local government employment through 2010.